Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites so the update goes smoothly. You confirm the TV model and OS, make sure the YouTube app exists. Once connected to stable Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account or have the activation code handy. If your TV has an app store, open it now and locate YouTube. This begins the update flow. Make sure remote batteries work and the TV stays on. Interruptions during updates can cause app issues, so prepare power and network reliability before proceeding. Once done with setup, you open the App Store or the YouTube app settings to check for updates. If update appears, select it. If not, choose Reinstall to fetch the latest APK from the store. Watch download progress and avoid switching inputs. Pausing or losing Wi-Fi will stall the process. After installation, allow requested permissions so playback and casting work. Then restart the YouTube app and test playback. This ensures the new files are loaded, and the app runs the updated code. You finish by testing core features. Play a video, sign in, and cast from your phone to confirm everything works. If videos stutter or the app crashes, clear the YouTube app cache and data, then relaunch. This fixes corrupt temp files. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. As a last resort, perform a TV factory reset only after you back up settings because that erases custom configs. If you hit errors during update, check router stability and try a wired Ethernet connection before drastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.